Well, here we are. I'm working on my tractor here. I had a blowout, and I got my rim all ready for my new tire. My tube's okay. It's a tiny little hole. I patched it, and I'm sure that will work okay. But this is the correct color for a case tractor. That's that flambeau red and case white. It's not silver. The rims are not supposed to be silver. There's another shot of some white rims. And the one on the other side is silver, because somebody thought they should be silver. But I took the silver off, and there's this case white underneath it. So, I don't know. Anyway, we had a major hole happen in the sidewall of the tire here, down here. You can kind of see it. There's my fingers sticking through it. There we are. This tire just got rotten. A little rain in it from last night. Oh, we had some rain. And this tire over here is going to have to be the wheel is going to be painted correctly in the right colors. And that's what the factory orange turns into if you let it sit and get mellow. So piece by piece, little bit by little bit, I'm bringing it back to color. And front rims, I put new tires on those. Those are those Titan tires. And if anybody knows what this is for, I'd appreciate knowing about it. Got a couple nice tight pinch bolts on it, but I don't know what it's actually for. And I got a lot of work to do on this grill. Somebody decided there needed to be a bigger hole in the wrong place for the crank. Oh, I don't know. Whatever. I don't use the crank. I got a 12-volt battery in it. Starts right up first time every time. And this is the original generator. It's 6-volt. But on the back of the generator right here, that little knob sticking out right there. You focus. Come on, focus, you old bird. There we are. Right there, that little knob there. You turn that up, and you tension up the field windings inside this regulator until it puts out 13.7, or actually 13.8 volts. That's sufficient. And that'll give you a 12-volt charge system. Still positively grounded, which makes it really kind of hard to put LEDs on it, but we'll work on that later. And I got some of these big halogen lights on it, and I've got the regular lights from Case. Pardon me, I got the hiccups. But anyway, waiting for my tire to arrive. It's in Charlotte, I understand. So, got a good price. Yeah, I'll wait. Anyway, that's what's going on today on the Case. See you guys later.